Hi! In today's hectic life, it's getting a lot harder to stay close to your parents due to school, classes, or extracurricular activities. And you always wonder what's the solution for all this. You tend to feel lost as well as guilty. But here we are with the tips that you can practice to make your parents happy. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Be grateful. It is important for children to be grateful towards their parents. Parents are the ones who take care of them, feed them, and teach them every day. While not all parents are perfect, they always do their best to help their children succeed. As a child, you have to be grateful for everything that they have done for you. You need to know how lucky you are to have a parent who is willing to sacrifice so much so you can live a better life than theirs. So appreciate your parents for what they do for you. You don't have to do something huge. Small gestures will do the job. Say thank you or make a card for them. It will mean a lot to them. Tip number 2. Spend more time with your parents. Spending time with your parents is an opportunity to get to know them better and really appreciate what they do for you. A lot of people often take their parents for granted, but it's important to appreciate them at every chance you get. Children grow up fast that sometimes they stop appreciating their parents. This may be due to schoolwork and social commitments. It can be easy to forget how much our parents sacrifice for us when we are distracted by other things in life. But it doesn't have to be this way. So, if you want to make your parents happy, then sit next to them and watch TV, or even ask them some questions like how was their day, etc. Trust us, these small gestures will make them happy. Tip number 3. Make your parents smile. One of the best ways to make your parents smile is by getting good grades. The better your grades, the happier they will be. It's never too late to start getting good grades. Even if you're not doing well in school, it's important to keep trying. Another way to make your parents happy is to hug them, because it will show them that you love them so very much and you appreciate everything that they do for you. Doing these 2 things will definitely put a smile on their faces. Tip number 4. Never argue with your parents. We should never argue with our parents because they know better than us. They have more experience in life than we do. So, when it comes to important decisions, we should trust their judgment over ours. But when it comes to minor things like what clothes to wear or what movie to watch, then maybe we can convince them. Tip number 5. Apologize. It would be a good idea to apologize to your parents every time you make a mistake, even if they are not mad or disappointed. It is important that you create the emotional bond between you and your parents. A parent would never want his child or her child to be unhappy, and as such, children should treasure their parents as much as possible. So these were the tips that will help you to make your parents happy. Also, if you want to know how you can make your teachers happy, then do click on this video. Until then, goodbye.